Hello and welcome. I'm Zilla, and this is my Athenaeum. And today I want to tell you about another PraxisTown project. Now, if you aren't familiar, the PraxisTown projects come from a group called PraxisTown, which is a collective of creators trying to make the world a better place. And every month we put out a little project that is something that you or I can do from home or with very little effort to just take a small step towards creating that better world. February's PraxisTown project is to learn how to use Narcan, and if you can, go pick some up. Narcan is a very simple way to prevent opioid overdoses. If you see someone in the street having an opioid overdose, you can save their life. Now, this is so simple to use that you can literally get them for free in some pharmacies. There is state guidance on how to use it. You can find online resources, probably in multiple languages, telling you exactly how to go about preventing these preventable deaths. The opioid epidemic is a man-made crisis. The drug lobby overrode common sense, and now our doctors have been prescribing pain medications that addict people way more often. And it's sadly common that there are people out in the world who don't need to be dying. If you should ever find yourself in that situation, as unlikely as that may have seemed, I've certainly never encountered somebody in an opioid overdose, but I know people who have. And if I'm ever in that situation, I want to be prepared. So I'm going to go get myself some Narcan and learn how to use it. And I think you should too. Thank you so much. And hey, friends, keep learning.